Here's a 2018 Honda Civic Coupe. With an energetic and unmistakable exterior, this thoughtfully designed Civic never plays catch-up. Continuing to push the boundaries of automotive engineering, this sedan's power steering and rear suspension offer greater handling for a more pleasurable drive. Surround yourself in safety with a multi-angle rear-view camera and vehicle stability assist with traction control. Plus, it's full of convenience features like climate control, LED daytime running lights, Eco Assist system, and an electric parking brake with automatic brake hold. Get ready to be amazed. Test drive this wonderful Honda Civic and make it yours today. It's a 2018 Honda Civic Coupe. Aggressive by design, with a fierce shape and agile handling, the Civic looks and feels perfectly suited for your life. The Eco Assist system works with the spirited engine, giving you the unparalleled fuel economy you deserve. Your safety is a top priority with vehicle stability assist with traction control and a multi-angle rear-view camera. The LED daytime running lights create a distinctive impression, and climate control, Bluetooth, and USB audio interface make for a more enjoyable ride. Climb inside this overachieving Honda Civic. Drive yours home today.
Thayer Honda is happy to pass the savings and quality on to our customers. Call, click, or stop in today. We are conveniently located at 1019 North Main Street in Bowling Green, Ohio.